I'm Anil Kumar, and now it's time to explore periodic sinusoidal function. The question here is, state the amplitude, period and axis of equation for the following. The first one is y equals to half sine 2x minus 1. The second one is y equals to 3 cos of x minus 30 degrees minus 1. I'd like you to pause the video and answer the question. Here is my solution. We need to find amplitude, period and axis. So let me write down here. We need to find amplitude. We need to find period. And we need to find axis. Okay, for both these equations, right? So let's begin with the very first one, which is sine. Now, whenever you have equation in this form, let me first write down a general equation, which is kind of y equals to a times sine of, we'll write here k, and then within bracket x minus p plus q, right? That will help me to explain many things. Now the amplitude for a sinusoidal function, or we could have cosine here, is a, the coefficient which you see right there. So you have to straight away read, and always it's a positive value. So amplitude for the first equation is half. So let me do this half first. Period. Now period is governed by this number 2, which is k in this equation. 2 represents that in 360 degrees there will be two waves, right? So period of one wave will be 360 degrees divided by 2, right? So that gives us 180 degrees, right? So 2 signifies the number of waves in 360 degrees. Axis is this value, q in this case, or minus 1 here. So the axis is minus 1. Do you see how easy it is to read the values from the given equation, right? Now you can pause the video, write down your answer for the cosine function, and then check with my solution, okay? So here we have amplitude of 3, period of, since the coefficient of x is 1, so it is 360 divided by just 1, so it is 360 degrees, correct? Which is the standard period for any sinusoidal function. Axis is this number minus 1, same as before, right? So I hope you understand and appreciate how we got it. Now as an exercise for you, what you need to find here is range of the function, both, right? Range really means you have to find the minimum value and then the maximum value, correct? So range in general will be from the axis how high we go or how low we go, correct? So everything in between becomes the range. Okay, think about it and write down range for both these functions. That will be a good exercise for you. Thank you and all the best.